Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to increase click-through and conversion rates with ChatGPT. Let's get into it. Using ChatGPT for Amazon listings can significantly enhance both click-through and conversion rates when applied strategically. One of the primary advantages is the ability to analyze customer reviews and competitor data, then instantly generate optimized content tailored to relevant buyer segments. Titles are especially important. Rather than focusing purely on keyword density, creating titles that resonate with a specific type of customer can filter irrelevant traffic and drive more qualified clicks. For example, shifting from a generic title like Dog Ball for all sizes to a more focused one such as Tough Dog Ball for large breeds like Labs helps attract the right audience, increasing both engagement and conversion likelihood. ChatGPT can assist in generating such titles by summarizing patterns in customer sentiment. Feeding it product reviews and asking for a title aimed at higher conversion helps tailor messaging to match customer intent. Conversion increases when two key goals are met simultaneously: attracting more relevant traffic and improving the landing page experience. Once traffic becomes more relevant, shoppers connect better with the content, leading to improved satisfaction and reduced negative reviews. In one example, a high-ticket product priced around $700 experienced concerns regarding market viability on Amazon. After optimizing the listing with more customer-relevant language and visual clarity, the product began to attract consistent B2B orders. Data showed that 12% of sales were coming from business buyers, averaging $100 per order without any B2B specific pricing setup. Additionally, the product maintained a low ACOS of around 10%. The high price served as a natural filter, preventing low-intent clicks and focusing ad spend on serious buyers. This demonstrates the importance of aligning price, content, and targeting to support conversion efficiency. Beyond titles, ChatGPT can support bullet point creation, product descriptions, and infographic direction. When given structured data, like top-rated review excerpts or common complaints, it can synthesize those into actionable content ideas or even write directly usable listing components. To evaluate improvements, it's important to monitor unit session percentage over time. Before making any listing updates, download the business reports at the child ASIN level and track conversion performance weekly by calendar week. This approach ensures clear insights into how each content change impacts performance. Eliminating irrelevant traffic is just as valuable as increasing conversions from existing traffic. Refining content to speak directly to the target audience not only boosts purchase rates, but also reduces returns and negative reviews, factors that significantly affect long-term performance on Amazon. By leveraging ChatGPT alongside actual listing performance data, sellers can reduce content creation time, improve listing quality, and ultimately drive stronger results. The combination of artificial intelligence with targeted strategy provides an efficient and scalable path to growth. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.